GMT most certainly rose 21.99% in 7 days, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bears control GMT's genuinely current cost activities, showing how bears control GMTs in every way that really matters, current cost activities in an especially significant way. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn is drifting at $315.95, $195,000, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Current stepn cost in a real sense is $0.3218 walk 2024. In this video, we will essentially walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time for the most part gotten clarification on pressing issues facts. What really is for the most part transient cost expectation for stepn truly is GMT a sort of wise venture, or so they fundamentally thought. Stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the GMT's specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the sort of current economic situations in a huge manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to 32,548, 785, 447, 775 in a genuinely significant manner. The essentially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $138, 539, 1980, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which sort of is genuinely huge, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67, 617.35 level after a decay of 92%, especially further. Appearance how GMT truly rose 21.99% in 7 days, which in a real sense is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value decline of 33% coming to 33,518.14 during the past 24 hours, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time period, which sort of shows that current stepn cost truly is $32.18 walk 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some things facts. What by and large is most certainly momentary cost expectation for stepn, certainly is GMT a very wise interest in an exceptionally significant manner. BNB, the kind of local coin of BNB really is somewhere near 376, and as of now exchanging at $555.36, kind of additional appearance how bears control GMT's kind of current cost activities, showing how bears control GMT's for the most part current cost activities, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, XRP came to $0.61 in the wake of seeing a decay of 179% in esteem, so BNB, the fundamentally local coin of BNB essentially is somewhere near 376 and right now exchanging at $555.36, especially further appearance how bears control GMTs, especially current cost activities, showing how bears control GMTs for the most part current cost activities in a very large manner. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a by and large descending heading for pretty present moment, which generally is genuinely huge. Right now, a general kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 33% coming to 33,518.14 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. Stepn backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly is very huge. Support sort of is a level at which purchases basically become kind of more especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of additional in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers generally become move sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that right now, a fundamentally broad, extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that various elective digital forms of money as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value diminishing of 33% coming to 3,518.14 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of stepn GMT stepn execution. The cost of stepn GMT generally is at $32, down 6.45% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week in every practical sense. Further appearance how similarly opposition generally is a level at which merchants in every way that really matters become move pretty dynamic, and in every way that really matters prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that as of now, a truly broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 3% coming to Thala 3.5 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 315.95 195 as used, while exceptionally all-out market cap came to $445.935 315 as USD, which truly is very huge. There especially are very nearly 1,385 950 707 in a real sense are available for use out of 5,369,658 737, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Step-in value examination GMT cost investigation for 18 walk 24 inside an essentially everyday time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they for the most part thought. We utilize really relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal. Combination and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely basic moving most certainly normal smart and remarkable moving commonly normal amount to examine the future development of the stepn, exhibiting how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 617.35 level after a decay of 92%, pretty further appearance how GMT in every practical sense rose 21.99% in 7 days, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. The by and large relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the GMT coin basically is close oversold zone, as RSI essentially is at 37, which explicitly shows that the fundamentally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at 138 539 819 Ether 80 in a truly significant manner. While GMT's Williams percent R marker truly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange especially signal truly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, so the sort of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at 138 539 819 80, or so they basically thought. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, pretty further appearance how following basically are the help and obstruction levels of step and GMT step and execution. The cost of step and GMT especially is at $32, down 6.45% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week. Further appearance how similarly opposition by and large is a